Whether you're baking up Grandma's famous oatmeal cookies, tossing a big leafy salad, or mixing up pancake batter on a Sunday morning, the OXO 3-piece mixing bowl set provides workhorse durability in 3 convenient sizes. Our mixing bowl set features a 1.5 quart bowl, a 3-quart bowl, and a 5-quart bowl. The 1.5 quart bowl is ideal for whisking eggs and salad dressings, while the 3-quart bowl has higher walls that make it perfect for use with electric hand mixers. The 5-quart has a wide circumference that makes it ideal for tossing salads or serving popcorn. Each bowl has soft, comfortable non-slip handles that are easy to grip even when wet or oily, while non-slip bottoms stabilize the bowl on your countertop so they won't slide even when you're whisking or mixing. Wide lips and spouts make it easy to pour ingredients and batters, and the bowls nest conveniently for storage and are dishwasher safe. Here's a good tip. Choose a colorful set, and these will be great not only for preparing food, but for serving chips and other snacks at your next party.
This love that you never started, you once destroyed a broken heart that was already